Hello friends, welcome to Pandey Sir Concept Classes. Today we are going to learn subject ITM and topic is technological environment. So in last video we see this diagram technological environment actors in the technological environment, right? So creation of so basic things of the technological environment is the creation of the new knowledge which is designed or developed by the government institution like the federal or NASA lab. Okay, scientific research lab, AT&T, ET&T lab. Okay, applied research. After this is the first step, then second step is applied research. Government institution like NASA, corporation like the GE, General Electrical, R&D labs, universities, entrepreneurs like PhD was also part of this applied research. Application of the knowledge and development, engineering and the commercialization. We can conclude these three part in a single discussion. Application of the knowledge developed. I think after applied research, we always think about the how this research is used for the you can say military terms. Yeah, you can say scientific terms. Yeah, you can say different terms apart from the commercialization. Okay, like later we discuss about the transistor. First time transistor discovered for the military purpose or scientific purpose. Then Japan commercialized transistor to transistor for the commercialization. Okay, so here the three things: corporation, private firms, new venture development group. This all three working. Application of the knowledge to commercialization. Okay, so this diagram is looks like the value chain model which you study in marketing management. So the second thing is the technological environment innovation network. Okay, so like there is an n number of technology 1 to n, and second thing is the facilitators 1 to n, right? So everybody know technology developers and what is the facilitators. Facilitators means resource provider, policy analysis, linking organization, mediators. Okay, basically facilitators provide the resources like the funding, like equipment, or you can say economical support, and technological developments are the techie person, or you can say developing person, you can say the technical person develop the software. Okay, or anything else. So here there is a connectivity input necessary for technological development and diffusion, like three things: information, resource, personal, etc. Okay. They're the rule decided by the technological environment. So next thing, the technological environment change in the environment. So how can technological environment affect to our environment? Here you can say induce changes. Second thing is the autonomous changes. Okay, induce means something like the induction, something change, some change depend upon the others people. That is induction theory. किसी के बोलने से या इंड्यूस करने से या प्रोवोक करने से जो चेंजेस होते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड इंड्यूस चेंजेस. ओके, change induced forces by such as the demographic and the lifestyle in the macro environment segment other than technological environment. Like here you can see the three diagrams. Technological environment in the center point, in the central, political environment affecting to technological environment, social environment also affecting to technological environment, economic environment also affecting the technical environment. So social environment is you can say affected by the demographic and the lifestyle influence technology. Example railway, the social environment. Economic environment, condition of the citizen influence technology, how they buy they like Tata Nano is the economical environment because the first name Tata Nano is called by लाख टकिया मतलब 1 लाख में बिकने वाली कार. द इकोनॉमिक इन्वायरमेंट लाइक सस्ती कार जो है सबसे कम पैसे की कार जो टाटा नैनो, इकोनॉमिक इन्वायरमेंट. एंड द पॉलिटिकल इन्वायरमेंट, गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज इन्फ्लुएंसेस टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलपमेंट लाइक द टेलीकॉम. ओके, अब टेलीकॉम की बात हम करते हैं जैसे कि अभी कॉल रेट्स ये सब सस्ते हैं. So these are the decided by the government policy influenced by the technological development, right? Second thing is autonomous changes. Okay, change induced in the technological environment due to independent action on the technological development, Developers in quest for the competitive advantage, this change are largely independent force to other macro environment segment. Okay. So here example you can understand like Intel in microprocessor technology, automobile manufacturing, space related technology, consumer products. Okay, these are the autonomous changes. It's a depend upon the requirement of the technology. I can say what are the current requirement. Basically, automobile manufacturing. If you think about the power, definitely we think about the CC of bikes. If you think about the average, definitely we can reduce the CC of bikes or cars. Okay, so space related technology. If you think about the moon, definitely we can mean something different. And if you think about the Mars, definitely we make many things different. Right. So technological environment, current development in the technological environment, the globalization, time compression, technology integration. Okay. So technological environment, current development is stage is the globalization. Globalization is nothing but the changing location of manufacturing facilities, rise of the multinationals. So there are lots of plant of Mahindra in our country and foreign country also like the data also. Okay, time compression, shortened product of shortened product life cycle, shortened development the times, decreasing the payback period. That is the time compression. You can just reduce the process of time, that is called the time compression. Technology integration means combine many technology in a single equipment. So it will combining technology to commercialize product. Now the science and technology in India, this is not in part of our theory. So emerging e-commerce advantage, medical science lagging behind. Okay, so these are the technological environment. Hello friends, welcome to